Welcome to TT's Corner. I just want to talk to you peeps quick and fast, about the latest happenings in Jamaica. On Sunday, August 9th at 10:26 p.m. US time, that's 9:26 Jamaica time, there were a sea of green in Halfway Tree, and there were people at home glued to their televisions and members of the diaspora online, and we were waiting with bated breath. And at exactly 10:28 p.m. US time, that's 9:28 p.m. Jamaica time, Prime Minister Holness announced that on August 18th will be nomination day and September 3rd election day. The crowd went wild and the internet lit up with green hearts. I know the opposition has been saying, call it, Andrew, call it, but I honestly don't think they expected so many people to flood the streets and the internet, cheering on the JLP. So I can just imagine how their world shifted, also their stomachs, to see all that excitement. And I can bet how much rolls of toilet paper get used last night, because this shows that don't you ask for things that you're not prepared for the answer. So right now I'm looking forward to September 3rd. Yes, I'm looking forward to election day, when to officially say, yes, Dr. Holness, you have gotten a third term and it's well deserved. So I can't wait for that. And I have a little message for my fellow Jamaican in the PNP constituencies. I know some of you see the good work that the JLP is doing, and you really want to vote for him, but you're scared. But I'm here to tell you, don't be scared, because when you go in that polling station to vote, nobody will know who you vote for. Yes, they may tell you in your communities that if on a switch, we know it's a lie. It's an outright lie. They don't know who you vote for. So go in the polling station and free to vote for who you want. Okay? So your heart is telling you that the JLP is doing a good job, and you're in a PNP constituency, and your MP is not doing anything for you, vote for the JLP. Try someone else and see. Because I want my fellow Jamaicans to have a better and brighter future, and think about your children and grandchildren's future. So vote. Go out in your numbers, people, and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. And I am looking forward to September 3rd. So my fellow Jamaicans, enjoy this election season, because I sure will. Thank you, and God bless you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.